unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
To test your Kenmore dishwasher control board, start by unplugging the dishwasher or turning off the power at the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Next, access the control board, usually located inside the door panel or behind the lower kick plate. Use a multimeter to check for continuity on the board's terminals. Lack of continuity indicates a faulty board. Consult the dishwasher's manual for specific testing procedures related to your model. If unsure or uncomfortable performing these steps, consider consulting a professional technician to ensure accurate diagnosis and repair.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.